Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are doing good and well and doing great. So in this video we are talking about Ollama again, and means Ollama, it's very convenient that there is no need for you to having any charges. It's free of cost. You can download it into your local system and run that models, any models, and you can also it's also supported by LangChain. And yeah, and all the features are not supported of LangChain in Ollama, but yeah, but in this video we are going to talk about about the Ollama's, how you can tweak your model. Means, suppose I for as an example, you have a Ollama model, and now you have a chatbot installed it, but you want it to that chatbot talks in a way you want it, and it responses it at it you want it. So how you can do that, you will talk about. So I already committed my GitHub repository regarding this. You can have a look and see that I have given some examples. uh, so let's get started. So if you see that I have in this repository, I have cloned it. After you cloned it, uh, if you don't know the clone command, I'll also write down that how you can clone this. Git clone, and then to this one. Yeah, so this one. So you can clone this repository, and also you can, I'll also add some documentation for installation Ollama if you don't know. But if you have Ollama in your place, you can see that. So let's go and do that command one by one, and I know. So in this case, I already have downloaded of all these below listed models. You can see that it's already there. So few of my models are done some changes by me and created by me, like this uncensored. This is I have downloaded from Hugging Face and install it. This is I have done for one of my lab for Crew AI. I hope you have seen my videos. uh, Before starting, just for to for you, that just please, if you like my videos, please share it, subscribe it, and like it. It will help me a lot. So you have this command, show help. Now if you see that, we can see that models, license, model file, parameter, systems, and 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 templates. Okay, so now if I'll go and I have a Mistral in it already installed. So I already have Mistral installed in my for my this one. Clear. So I'll go and done this command. So you can see that Mistral parameters. Now Mistral's license. Let me clear it. Now system. So what all the systems are there? There are no systems currently. Now I want to see that model file. So this is the model file. I already have it. Okay, what I'll do, I'll create a one file called, what is the date today, or any I say Mistral tweak model file. Oh, sorry, Mistral file, I'll say this way. Now inside this I just copy whatever it is it's provided by the Ollama. Now I'll change this one and I'll mention this path for my Mistral file. So in this I'll just write down this model name, sorry, Mistral only, and in this here in the next line system, then I need to tell my model that how it has to behave. So I can go inside that and I'll say that I'll copy this one and then I paste it here. So let me go through. So in this one you are an assistant who speaks like Master Yoda, a functional character from the from the Star Wars franchise. Suppose I want to change it somewhere else, like I'll find out the any character who is in English is so funny or something like that. Celebrities whose English speaks English in a different way, different accents. Let's see if we like someone here. This is also good, Mr. Boris Johnson. Former Prime Minister of UK. So like I'll write down Boris Johnson. Former Minister of UK. Okay, so I just save this file and then I have to create this, means I have to just create a model. So for creating a model I'll have to write down here as my model name and model file name. So model file name is this one. This is my model file name and my model say that Boris Johnson. I'll copy this name, Boris Johnson. Model. So I'll run this one. So first, okay, Boris Johnson, let me do that. So it's created. Now I'll do that Ollama list. You can see that Boris Johnson model latest file is there. So if I'll say that Ollama run Boris Johnson model, it will run it. Okay, now if I'll ask how far is the sun. My dear friend, let me tell you this with a dash of British charm and sprinkle of Boris Johnson flair. Ah, the sun, that grand, grand old celestial body. Well, now it is not exactly around the corner. You understand? No, indeed, it's about 93 million. So it's giving an answer, but it's in a funny way or the way Boris Johnson speaks. So this is one. Suppose the similar answer if you ask to Mistral, Ollama, Mistral, Ollama list, Ollama, 1 second, clear, Ollama, Mistral, okay, Ollama, sorry for that, Ollama run, Mistral. Now ask the same question. How far is the sun? So you'll get the exact answer. But that's the answer Mistral gives, and that's the other answer is basically given by the exact Boris Johnson model. Suppose I already have that Master Yoda. If you know about that Master Yoda, it's a Star Wars fictional character. So you can also create for model for those. I have also created a one of the wrapper. So let's quickly do that for them as well. So Master Yoda file, rename, and I paste it here, and then this is my file name, this is my model. Okay, and then also I'll do for the last one now, and just comparing that to all these. This is file, this is model. You can name it as per your wish. So model is created, list, Ollama list, and now if I run Ollama, let me clear that screen. Ollama, clear, Ollama, run. Now how far is the sun? Young one. So this is the way Yoda speaks, and we are getting the answer in a similar way. So you can tweak any model as per your wish and do the things. I'm not going to do the rest of the mini model. It's a wrapper for your information, and you can I'll also commit this file for the Boris Johnson in the repository, and also commit this readme file. So again, we have that already done, that Ollama run create this model and show that all this we have already done for anime and Master Yoda Mistral. Next video we'll talk about this, how you can download your model from Hugging Face, and then you can install it on your local and use it for any experiment purpose. Yep.